SmartPanics Signature is a white label version of SmartPanics, giving your app its unique identity. You can name it as you wish, allowing your end users to easily identify it in the App Store. It seamlessly connects to your service without the need to specify an IP address and port because it comes with predefined configurations that ensure the exclusive operation of this app, only connected to your server. Why choose SmartPanics Signature? Choose the app's name according to your preference. Design a customized icon for the app on your end users' smartphones. Craft unique descriptions. Receive professional guidance for publishing the app in the stores. Prominently feature your organization as the developer of the app. Exclusively configure the connection parameters with your monitoring center. Achieve the highest levels of exclusivity. You can contract as many signature apps as you need within a single license.